Hello friends, today we will be unboxing a brand new HP laptop. This is the box packing of the laptop, and as you can see here, these are the model details. It's the HP 15Q DS0049TU model. It is a 15.6 inch laptop which has an Intel Core i3-8130U processor. It's a dual core processor. It has a 256 gigabytes of solid state drive. It's an NVMe SSD. It has an optical drive, something very rare in laptops nowadays. It comes preloaded with Windows 10 and has a 3-cell 41 watt hour lithium ion battery which is built in. It's not removable. It also has 8 gigabytes of DDR4 SD RAM, and as you can see, it's a 15.6 inch full HD LED display with a peak brightness of 220 nits. This display, however, is not the most vibrant of the displays that you get out there because it has only 45% color gamut range of the NTSC. So those are the quick specs of the laptop. As you can see here, the HP branding, and on this side you can see the price quoted here. The MRP price quoted for this laptop is 40,348 rupees in India, and I had purchased this for approximately 35,000. So let's get to the unboxing part now. So first we see the power adapter. This is the Indian style power plug, and this is the power brick. This is a 65 watt power adapter, so that should charge pretty quickly. And this isn't the USB Type-C variety. This is the standard laptop charger connector. This is not the Type-C connector. Let me put this aside. We do not get a laptop bag with this model, as this is a pretty budget oriented model. And here you can see the quick setup instruction guide. You have the setup instructions, and as you can see, it's written in English. On both the sides you have, and here is the laptop itself. Let me put this box aside. The laptop comes packaged in pretty sturdy styrofoam packaging. This is the laptop, HP branding on top. Let me remove the cover. Here is the laptop itself, and let me quickly show you around the laptop, the ports. So on the right side you can see the SD card reader, the power light, and the SD power light and the hard disk drive light. These are the LEDs, SD card reader. This is a USB 2.0 port. This is the optical disk drive. Here you have the Kensington lock slot. At the back you have nothing, it's a glossy black. And on the left side you have the power adapter plug. You have the Ethernet jack, folding type. You have the HDMI port and two USB 3.1 ports and a headphone cum microphone jack. So this is a dual jack, and these are USB 3.1 super speed. You can see here SS written here. So these are USB 3.1 ports, and on the front you have just the lid opening, and at the bottom you have the Windows logo and the cooling vents. That's it. It's pretty plain. And now when we open the laptop, let me just zoom in a bit. Yeah, this is the laptop. So here is the laptop, and as you can see here, you have a pretty big keyboard. You have the number pad separately. This is a good thing for people who use it for calculations. Since this is a 15.6 inch model, it has a number pad built in separately. This is a chiclet style keyboard. As you can see here, you have the trackpad with 2 buttons, which is again not a common sight nowadays because the trackpad itself is clickable, but here you can see the button separately. This is more common with budget oriented models. And there is no fingerprint reader that I can see. The power button is on the top left corner, and the keys are not backlit. The speaker is also on the top. You have the HP branding for the screen, and at the top of the screen you can see the webcam along with a microphone, a single microphone, and you have the notification LED for the webcam that shows whenever the webcam is in use. The screen is a 15.6 inch full HD display, and on the laptop you can see here this includes Microsoft Office Home and Student version as well. This is an 8th gen Core i3 laptop. So once you turn on the laptop for the first time, you can activate it and you will get Microsoft Office Home and Student as well. So the biggest benefits of this laptop is at the price range of around 35k, you're getting a decent Core i3 processor with 8 GB of RAM, 256 GB of solid state storage, Microsoft Windows 10 Home version, and Microsoft Office Home and Student version preloaded. So this is pretty much a very good configuration for people looking to work from home or for kids who have to attend classes from home. So this configuration will be very useful, and if you want to connect to an external display as well, you can do that using the provided HDMI port. So that would take care of if you don't like the display, you can buy a good external monitor and connect it to that one. So it would be helpful in that ways as well. So this laptop is an all-in-all good deal at this price, and it's available offline as well as on the online retailers as well as the HP own website. So you can purchase this laptop from there. That's it for this quick unboxing video for the HP 15-inch laptop. Thank you.